Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a metallic shape like this in After Effects using Trapcode TAO plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First, I'll create a new composition. I'll make it Full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds. Then go to Layer and I'll add a new solid and I'll name it TAO. Go to Effect, Trapcode, and I'll choose TAO. Now open Path Generate Path. Go to Size and change it to 0. Then go to Segment, Segment Mode, change Extrude to Repeat Sphere. Set segments to 1, sides 200, size 400. And rotate X to -90. Open Fractal Displacement. Set Amplitude to 90. Frequency to 300. Evolution to 85. Make sure that you are on the first frame. Keyframe on offsite X, then go to last frame and change offsite X to 800. And see, this is our animation. Open Seamless Loop. Change Loop X to 800. Open Material and Lighting. Set your color. Now create a new solid and name it Background. Go to Effect Generate. For color gradient. Change these colors to be matching with our TAO solid. Then go to Blend and increase it. Change shininess to 10. Fresnel to 80. Diffuse holdout to 50. Open image-based lighting. Set reflection strength to 200. And diffuse strength to 200. Now see our animation. Okay, now open texture. Now go to File and import your image. I will leave it in the description. Okay, Drag and drop image on timeline and hide the image. Now again, go to TAO Solid, Effect, Texture, go to Normal Map. Set None to Normal Map Image. Set Normal Map Strength to 2 and Texture Scale to 4. Open Shader. Set Density to Smooth. Open Visibility. Change Fog Start to 5000. Fog End 4000. Fog Color to 5000. Open Rendering. Change Super Sample to 9 and set Depth of Field to Off. Okay, go to Layer and add a new adjustment layer. Then go to Effect, Stylize and Glow. Okay, now increase glow threshold around 70. Also glow radius and increase glow intensity. Again, go to your TAO Solid Effect. Open Fractal Displacement. Change Smoothen Normals to Temp. Then go to Material and Lighting. Change Built-in Environment to Sunset Field. And see. Okay, this is our tutorial today, so if you like it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.